Going right for every hole in the freaking yard.
DJ, throw Mama the ball. Show me the ball. What do you got? Yeah. It's the ball. Get it. No. Get the ball. Get it. Yay. Kevin, get the phone.
Mama.
Who is it?
Debbie.
Ask her to come in. Where you going?
Did you anything in mail?
I've not been over there.
What?
I haven't been over there. I thought you was home.
She didn't get anything in the mail, she said.
All right.